What's up, Nerfers? And boy, am I holding a very special Nerf blaster.
Yeah, to be against. Oh, this is amazing.
I'm dead. It is a pump action tube fed shotgun, which can take a variety of different shells to fire pretty much any Nerf ammo type you can think of. This is the first place winner of Printables 3D printed toy design for 2025. It is, of course, the Breacher designed by Sillybutts. If you want to experience that feeling for yourself, check out the links down below. Hardware only, DIY kit, or fully assembled, the choice is yours. Oh, come on, I'm trying to reload. All right, hit.
All right, just to make sure.